Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader in XO. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, first of all, Merry Christmas. Okay, this video is for those who are planning to trade after Christmas. But as the market is in holiday mode right now and the mood will remain till the first week of Jan, so we are expecting the market to remain sleepy, dull and sluggish for the next couple of days. Because if we look at the Forex Factory.com, the economic calendar here, we can easily see that on Monday, Tuesday, there are a series of bank holidays. So as a result, the market will remain dull, market will remain slow for the next couple of days. So as a result, the overall sentiment of the market is very much neutral right now, and most of the market will see that trading within a particular range only. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter here, we can see the Forex sentiment meter is 38% retail traders have taken short position and 61% have taken long position. And as we all know, market usually always move against the sentiment meter because the sentiment meter shows the position of the retail traders. And this is the main reason, because retailers have taken long position, and as we can see right now that GBPUSD is trading in a downward channel. My dear friends, not much things to discuss on the chart right now. I'll try to keep the video very short. Okay, promise. So first of all, let's have a look at the chart of DXY. As we all know, DXY is trading in a range. As I have already discussed in my previous videos also, the range of DXY will be 105 to 105.50 on the upside and 103 to 103.50 on the downside. After this massive fall, DXY is showing that the neutral stance right now. After Christmas, before New Year, okay, DXY should remain within the range only, because the volume is very less in the market right now. And this is the chart of GBPUSD. As we can see, the trend line at the top is acting as a dynamic resistance and trend line at the bottom is acting as a dynamic support. So our strategy on GBPUSD should remain simple. Probably you can already guess. And the strategy is simple. Considering the downtrend of the market, we should mostly look for sell position at the resistance. So after Christmas, by next week, whenever the market will be going up, market will hit the trend line at the top. Observe the market first. The level will be around 1.2050. I cannot give you the exact number because this is a dynamic resistance. Around 1.2050, around 1.2040. If you see the market has hit the trend line, observe the market. And if market reverses according to expectation, you can go for a sell position. You can also take a buy position at the support or at the trend line, the bottom. But the thing is that, see, the overall sentiment is kind of bearish right now. Okay, if we look at the present trend is bearish, means sellers are trying to dominate the market here. So as a result, taking a buy position can be a little bit risky, especially in case of a trend line. So as a result, if market hits the trend line at the top, observe. If market reverses, you can go for a sell position. If market breaks the trend line, just avoid it. Enjoy the holiday. But we have a very strong support zone around 1.1900, 1.1860. This is a strong support zone on the chart of GBPUSD, and the reason is previous price rejection around this area, as well as Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So though the market is trading in a downward channel right now, but once market will hit this particular number 1.1900, 1.1860, I think that market should go for a bounce. If not trend reversal, at least we can expect a bounce of 40 to 50 pips. If market bounces according to our expectation, we can definitely go for a buy position. But as of now, I think that taking a sell position at the trend line at the top is the only option that I see on the chart of GBPUSD right now. You can take a buy position at the trend at the bottom as well, which is also acting as support, but be careful, follow proper risk management. Overall, the market is kind of flat right now because the participation of traders are very less due to the holidays. So my dear friends, if possible, try to reduce the lot size. Try not to trade in a market, because see, you should learn when to trade, but it is also important to learn when not to trade in the market. Okay. Follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Enjoy the holidays. Bye bye. Take care.